Namaskar, welcome to Safebay. Friends, today we will discuss further on various aspects of industrial safety plan for infectious disease management in our factories. World Health Organization said recently that COVID-19 is 10 times deadlier than 2009 flu pandemic. Evidence from various countries is giving a clear picture on how COVID-19 behaves, how to stop it and how to treat it. By referring to all such evidence, we may prepare our plan. It is not only important to identify essential workers for key operations, but to arrange special paths to enable them to attend their duty. Alternatively, we can also arrange their stay in or near the factory premises. Similarly, identifying a possible work from home employees to reduce their exposure is a welcome move, but number of such employees under this category may be less in manufacturing industries, but still to be included. Also, include details on availability of at least 3 cross-trained workers for one skill set or one essential operation. Availability of written instruction is not sufficient. It must reach employees timely through quick and reliable methods. The ISH plan must include worst case protocols for employee strength with 25, 50 and 75%. Closure of essential and non-essential sections, clubbing of various sections, etc. are also to be included in the protocols. Now let us come to the education front. Plan to continuously address fear, avoid spread of wrong information, that is rumor, is very essential. During the current pandemic, we have seen unnecessary gathering of big crowd near bus terminus, railway station and related difficulties of handling, controlling during pandemic time. Social distance totally violated and burden on the government got increased during this difficult period. Regarding good respiratory protocol or manners, our plan should be elaborate and easily understandable by the workforce. People's ethic in certain common but sensitive activity like coughing, sneezing, spitting is to be included. COVID-19 is also an airborne infectious disease. Therefore, national and international standards like California's aerosol transmissible disease standard may be referred for guidance only. However, we have to follow local government protocols and guidelines. Next, disinfection of cycle, two-wheeler, cars used for commuting is very essential. Disinfection of non-passenger vehicles entering the designated areas in the factory, residential areas, etc. are also very important. One more behavior of the human is feeding the street dog has to be taken into account to reduce infection. A continuous plan, even during normal time, to educate the workers on how to differentiate symptoms of infectious and non-infectious nature has to be made, because this will help us in control of infection at the very early stage. Symptoms like congestion, fever, headache, sore throat, muscle aches, diarrhea or upset stomach are important to monitor. Plan for back to work may be done with the doctor's permission or with the doctor's knowledge to avoid recurrence of infection. On the communication side, we have to do a lot and practice the same even during normal time. Otherwise, our core plan itself will fail. We must ensure our employees read our updates regularly through text messages, local TV or radio station, or specific social medias. Friends, we have been discussing certain aspects of the industrial safety and health plan till now. In the next post, we will see more aspects. Thank you for listening.